abusia obi ni yem no wagye me so se hwim enne die ne resource bia babelande na emu nsem a de ba ye ne kyese nya asem ketewa mentime ho ase a asi e wo fidie mu ase ne nye kyese gye nyankopon kwa na abem nye saade a ne ma ba ginsem na ye nsem mere yenko ne yenkonko tie ensem a e wo resource nim ne ba ne akach bia no me de ababeda yenkonko she video no embra
auntie me now what to say baby I fine okay aja woda so gina de wogina ase de ne no yen kan ya na baby adu yen nya yen kan ni nyina
me yi ba kura
sa okay mami woso da so wogide se yen kan o mani nyina ya ja Robert ma mama wogide sa okay evangelist
Ohemaa
Eja Robert eni Mavis die ne ne
yes
tacho munhwe se ni nyina yente ye on se ya tro ha we de atro ne de ya
ya tro considator na se ya sili no
eja also de ne atro ha
confidential
Dabi esuni school oko Roman school ono e woni school okoye
okay
ewoni school considator na cha say yasiliano
okay mama also here de ne ajo pacho mi ni mo tebrofo also na ho ye de okay
say aja oye nematology da wanye nematology
abusian pacho eni ye pese emuda okro jinti yente ye sila a free blueprint DNA organization ba ye no say ya na ete enu nti ya bamba eja baako ya ma ena baako pacho mi akasa so ese behwe de eko ti mi so me de eye baako doctor atsena se doctor ete say bibia de dana kwa mu de
ya me adon
okay all right doctor me ba o hosesia na fe yako eja
yes ma
na kampese mo maike boss mami an kambisa na semba ko ansana me de DNA no ahye wonum se mpise da ye ko no me bisa no asemba ko ma o mami muaye na mpese me hwese wada so gina de wo gina na ana bia wanya change of mind ebi enu nti aja me bisa biem me bisa ubiem o
yes ma
wunyi ni sankoda ni nyina ye wo ma ana wugidi na emu pese ye sanhwe
jidie ni ho no mzira mbe
jidie ni ho jidie ni ho
yeah
okay all right mama nti osu gina de ogina yen kenkan jo senior na want to say be I fine and now buy a Facebook for girls yezo so ma spec you tell be mu do one year to so ntino and now by the just the comments no na hwem na yibi na sunjeba o ma me ne wo papa DNA results no aba ya wudie wo mu bi wugidi so panyini o papa no wugidi uda ujina mama afa na ujina papa afa unyi obi afa better okay enti abusia opanyini Robert Okran wudie enie enti answer mommy mpacho wuso wudie nis Brancha 104.5 on Facebook where asamwa bad time ana eja waltna wade ase now so we were how many years 27 years mumani yesay
miensa
okay
ana bako so eje no am say for but bako ambana
okay do Dr. Betchum na 27 years wa wade ase na wane ne yira wo miensa na bedru baby say there be me pesa me behwesa nkoda na miensa no wo mo ye me ba na eyire se me so me wa kokodro miwra me jiwudi koda na ya ma yenko eno wonu maba results no na aba no ewa abonti anka o maame kanye twetwetwe nanka yeko eno no Dr. Pacho permission to friends evangelist ya bua me obrofu mu kaka
permission to demonstrate
yes
on to aso
there been person me say yenti ana
yeah ouvrier
doctor yeti mite
Pacho e bitu
all right Pacho bi antene de na
Pacho na me say
ai
foni
ai 9 pacho be ko baby a one kasa wo hu page 3 okay Dr. Pacho Yebi
yeah mama does it Tibacho yen we dina no first one Robert Okran second one here Isaac Kofi Ban Okran
okay
the next one here Josephine Okran and Emmanuela Owusuwa Okran Pacho yen ko Echiopa Bakunsa
okay so you be a tree okay
so I say Leroy Kwame Ban Okran
okay
but I'm back confirm am say man am wona na
Achane
mama woman na wo ho yo ti akwahi
first page
Pacho Yensam first page Abusua Branch 104.5 on Facebook I hasi
okay
na YouTube ni Nhyira TV wa bra behwe bi na yenkan yenkom Pacho
yo mama me da say Pacho David said that David am kan DNA no time bia ye wa bofra bia na say wo nipa bia onya fa afri ne papa o na onya fa afri ne mama
okay
na ya ba Isaac Kofi Ban 15-17
okay
na ko Josephine Okran 15-18 na ko Emmanuela Owusuwa Okran 16-17 na ba Leroy Kwame Ban Okran 16-17 the first one Ohemaa say you compare Isaac Kofi Ban and Robert Okran there na Robert Okran there is 16-18 and Isaac Kofi Ban Okran there 15-17 at your own Ohemaa what means say ensisa kakra because upon then is 16-18 and Isaac then 15-17 the one ensisa kakra abam
okay
na I call Josephine Okran there 15-18 I want to say 18 or papa na 18 or Josephine na Nearby Emmanuela Owusuwa Okran, I also 16 Josephine Emmanuela Dinim, and I 16 Robert Okran Dinim.
Okay.
Nearby Leroy Kwame Ban Okran, I was 16 Leroy Dinim, and 16 Robert Dinim. It is a far first Macadamic kind, and I ultimately said Isaac Kofi Ban Okran, and Papa Neden, and Sao Kakra. But I answer Honenso.
You.
But I am the next one. But all kind every baby I'm a kind first one I can echo down on 9 the ninth one I want
okay
it was D18 S51
Dr. Pacho Tobo na yeah no
D18
the first one I'm a kind of every one 9
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
D18
S51 okay the ninth lane no the ninth lane.
D1
first one.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. D2, 1, S1.
The next one.
D18.
Okay.
Pacho wahu.
The 10th one, okay.
Yo. Mami Pacho wahu. All right.
See, I want to say, young Robert Okran, they were 18, 19. Toba Isaac Kofi Ban Okran, they were 16, 21.
Okay.
Nayaba Josephine Okran, they were 16, 18.
Okay.
Nayaba Emmanuela Owusuwa Okran, they were 16, 16. Nayaba Leroy, they were 14, 18. Tibato Hanos Ohemaa say the Isaac Kofi Ban, they need to Robert Okran, they know Robert, they near 18, 19. And Isaac, they near 16, 21. Tibato Hanos says Sabako Abba.
Okay.
So far, Isaac, they near Nyansa,
no.
But I am called Emmanuela Denenso. Emmanuela Denny is 16, 16. It is a Emmanuela Denenso ne Papa ne Denenso Sabam Kakra.
Okay. Emmanuela Owusuwa.
Yes. It is so far Isaac Denenya is 2 and Emmanuela Denenya is 1. But I am
okay.
But if you want so I can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth one, your D22 S1045.
Okay.
But
Robert Pacho wahu.
17. Okay.
Mr. Robert then is 17, 17. You share Isaac Kofi Ban then is 12, 15. Nayaba Josephine Okran then is 15, 17. Nayaba Emmanuela then is 12, 15. And Leroy then is 17, 17. And the Yanfa Isaac then into Papa then. Papa then is 17, 17. And Isaac then is 12, 15. But also Ohemaa 17, 17 and 12, 15. And Sister Kakra.
Okay.
This so far Isaac then is Yanya and Sister Minister. But if you want, so I call 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the third one. If you baby, I'm a kind
1, 2, 3. D7.
D7 is 820.
I jump Pacho wahu.
811.
Mommy Pacho, okay. All right.
Tibato no Robert Okran then 811. Nayaba Isaac Kofi Ban then 1010. Nayaba Josephine then 1011. Nayaba Emmanuela then 1010. near Leroy then 10-11. Tipato ono so say the to 2 your far Robert then I 8-11 and now Isaac Kofi Band then 10-10 and I Emmanuel then so 10-10. Tipato the side 10-10 to 8-11 and one I papa ni then I want to say kakra.
Okay.
This so far Isaac then anya is this be 3 and now 4
and 9. Yeah.
And now Emmanuel then anya 3.
Okay.
Tipato if you are yanko if you baby am kind yanko 1 2 3. I want to say D1S 1656. But you
14 17 3.
But Mr. Robert then 14 and 17.3. Your call is a Kofi Band and you're 11 15. Now about Josephine Okran you're 14 and 16.3. Nearby Emmanuel Uzua Okran, Nadian 11 17. Nearby Leroy then 14 15. Tibacho say Osha Honoswa. Mr. Robert then here 14 and 17.3. But if Isaac Kofi Band then 11 and 15.
Okay.
Then I bet Emmanuel then 11 and 17. But all the way me to Papa then Papa then 14 17.3. And this Aka cry as our honor.
Okay.
But I am called the last one as your pan D2S
133
21 23.
Mr. Robert then here 21 and 23. Nearby Isaac then 21 and 24. Nearby Josephine Okran then 21 and 24. Nearby Emmanuel then 22 and 24. Nearby Leroy then 21 21. Into Ohemaa Emmanuel Usua Okran then 22 24 and Papa then 21 23. Te one is
okay.
But Ohemaa is this a woman 1 2 3 4. Josephine Emmanuel then base matches in 4 and a woman.
Okay.
Now I before Isaac then 1 2 3 4 and also this I 4 and a woman.
Me about Isaac. Who follow the no? Oh yeah, sure. Okay. Dr. Pacho to us.
Your mama me that say. But onti medical Kasameka say DNA there say Tembia ya. I was so near half a free or phobia or till my men they have now also they have. Yeah, and he said in this abako crab. And I heard report here making kind so Isaac then you say and this I am Akumako for and a room. And I Emmanuel then also and this time Akumako for and a room. But then conclusion or last page one. The second page.
The second page.
Maybe a pictures in one.
But the second page will be
Oh, okay. A cheap okay. I'm boss. Okay.
Pacho. Okay. No, Pacho Yanko.
Your mama does say. Tibato medical reading or brofona machemuchi.
Yo.
Conclusion: Robert Okran is excluded from being the biological father of Isaac Kofi Okran. The exclusion is based on the fact that he does not show the genetic markers which have to be present for the biological father of the child, Isaac Kofi Okran, at multiple DNA systems. Therefore, it is practically proven that Robert Okran is not the biological father of Isaac Kofi Okran. The probability of Robert Okran being the biological father of Josephine Okran is greater than 99.9999%. Therefore, it is practically proven that Robert Okran is the biological father of Josephine Okran. Robert Okran is excluded from being the biological father of Emmanuel Owusua Okran. The exclusion is based on the fact that he does not show the genetic markers which have to be present for the biological father of the child, Emmanuel Owusua Okran, at multiple DNA systems. Therefore, it is practically proven that Robert Okran is not the biological father of Emmanuel Owusua Okran. The probability of Robert Okran being the biological father of Leroy Okran is 99.9999%. Therefore, it is practically proven that Robert Okran is the biological father of Leroy Okran. Etima ye born to farm. The report we are changing and say Isaac Kofi Okran ena Emmanuel Owusua Okran. Omonye Mr. Robert Okran eba. Omomi yenu Isaac Kofi Okran.
Minti ase.
Ena Emmanuel Owusua Okran. Omonye papa.
Minti ase da. Chami kofa yinsen fi baby amba nti minti ase. Minti ase. Debi minti ase. Minti ase.
Oh, Robert.
Minti ase.
No. Allow your mom to speak. Manikasa. Mommy, don't know so minti ase.
Just me na na nyem nti minti ase. Me kofa nkola fi baby amba. Minti ase.
That your kind pa oti ase.
Mati ase pa. So ase nkola no Emmanuel Okran ne ba na Isaac Okran ne ba. Minti ase.
It's then I'll say, yeah, be more.
And that's the best I could be for outside and for.
Mobile idea,
I was trying to for.
I will be for.
It means yes.
Robert.
Yes, ma'am.
Dear Doctor, I can would you too?
Would you do? But me, I'm a catch up with that.
Oh, catch a one.
Back on say, they can say, oh, my man, I'm concerned with because the catcher say, Libya, I look at Bian, the back ban, and the other one thing. Madam, Omokapa, Mentiasi,
oh, Baba, they on the second one. Second born. Only Josephine Okran. Okay. On your last born, 1 year, Mama Bano.
Madam, Missy Baby, I'm could be Omokapa to say, me, I'm doing one. Mentiasi. Now, my sister, watch my me. Even BBS actually. Baby Nessie. Dear Nessie. I'm said the very day I bought Hanum. Your choir, that is on the 7th July. Baha. Madam, I did channel Patutu to be 8:30, and I brand to be frame. Madam, I say, when so you could me. Hey, and you were threatening me, sir, be seen damn no case. What's it day? I said, my Jimmy Palmy, Crassini, not me who do obey me. Me, baby, answer that. No baha your choir, you I did see a pepe. I do start here. Madam, of course, be seen that me put up messages in a course now, dear Minda. Producer, what are my messages sleeping on Kamun display? Janona, a waha saying. Me pacho brana beshop message no eno na ye display no say massa you said something Isaac message no something fuck your wife or say unya wo na messages no yeah we are saying some doors so abusuafo if you are saying some doors so na me ama wo me nteme ho ase na me be ye die ne na me ka amasem wie ya me free wo ko ye no a ye hu se me be ye die ne na no ye tata me mama o last words I be kan ayede
I mean, yes, no, I mean, yes, say, in Kola, I mean, go for being free baby, and say, I mean, one so for beer baby, be a not brow cast or titty winimono, it be a windy bema for be out of a tete, look where ye be, and be a man in John, no, mammy, in Yana make us over catch every mammy, no, in BB. Mammy, can say, Banama, and your ma, one can say, no, ma. Mammy, I'll catch you playing. See, or low spend can't see a bit in your madam, me say, me, my friend, no man confirm me. I catch him in fact of friend in the Casaba say, Saturn National Echo Sumo. But I'll take you much by me for honor. Let me say, the American will be before, and now who not some man. Okay, what decision ye day? What last words are the kind of say, Senna, dear, I can carry a dear now, the canna make a doctor. You see, I know, dear, Papa or two on me. So I my baby, my name is Subin and Abing. Michelle said, me, in fact, my sweat papa, I'm the tion. Now, I'm your pa, massa. And soon, Isaac, Miss Abba will be a movie. The way I will know, mammy, aligning. Is there something you should say? Maybe a wise okay. No. Because, hey, yo, when the papa build the bond. From childhood, what shall I say? Honestly, Bema, but I'm catching say, Gentleman may young say one share. No one think I'm here. Make can you be here? We are saying, yes, by saying, I'm your hopper. Yes, because the be answered, the airport will name to be a catcher boy. Let me ask about my mates. Madam, here, Miss Madam won't crown, me discuss my local medine cry. Mammy, I was Afra. I dear, my mother, open blue Samso. But you wrote the paper to the Twassi. Dreaming the Afra, I could no boy, me fear and me took a cold room. Nancy, I was me took me, never could have a former, the Kwame Samba. Yeah, but you never dream the woman must go. The woman must the last boy, I may buy. I may buy, no barney. Me catch it say. Machine school, I will find a year, but I mean, yes, what you made in my mechi about me, shop bears and your money because only maybe a million Hago. Yeah, but today, I mean, no Hago. I am yes, what you did in my mechi. My boof, yes, I can find a yemin Gianni hotel fee, but Papa be framing me Casa and the final measures. I am background. Baby, I watch Isaac Abedri. Just imagine, baby, I watch Isaac Abedri. Now me person me TB before was say, dear now, person we. Oh, this year, me honor there.
onye boni bia
okay
the oti onu mi enye ne mfum so kra
okay
me bai mfa se me ka jene se me ni be ma bia pani bia obi onu na nka me ni ho obehwe machi nti bibia kra na me bombodi afre me be bo na mane se papa de ekoso nyi nti na na se me bia ikra me ka jene se nti de na ma me yemi se onu na okofo ba bi sa de na obeye enfa to hwe me din wa word
me ba ma me
na me bebre
nyabotre ansa so wakomam Robert Isaac
no
so who follow DNA no
no follow pa
then na obeka
no what's another mission meka say
o ma me a kire wo say papa wo ba bi fufo
patch dem
woni woni papa fufo bi ahun komo wo gidi say papa ene eja Robert
oh say no disrespect but as at now obi ambeka say ne ba ne means for me I don't know if as at this DNA no so papa there no problem
na mbajobi ntwara no a mbajobi mi ntwara no a ahomachi be 4 o'clock bi be ma bi frɛ ma mi ama me ba ko hia na je nyama so obeka ya
okay mani nyira no be ma be ya
me team but ni kwa sorry the fact is
unim say o ma me is seeing someone else
no the very gentleman is from church. I don't want to mention clothes and shoes because my clothing was very bad at that point. My father wasn't giving money at that point. He wasn't buying for me. I'm very honest. No,
I understand.
Even my sister also gets gifts because he sells a cantamount too.
Okay.
And because
then the gifts now the brem. Okay. Oh papa say no problem. As educated as you are, this thing was sealed. Ni akata no a na yam pese obi a ebehunu. Intina maybe say we take on this DNA. Say already say the probability say Robert Okran, Mr. Onye Isaac, Kofi Ba Okran, papa. And maybe say we take it. Say, is there anything you can disclose to us for your own safety? Say be now. Nanny bantam, be a now disclose be but for safety reasons, Binti, now we'll keep it as a secret. Baby, every day, so baby, saw what can't for what would that chinty and for your mother's safety.
There's nothing like that.
Be anyhow, Mammy Mavis. Yeah, anyway, the only thing I say when you to be anyone. That be it make us say, won't mean Cassa when you to. Sabibi wo honche mu be wa iti fa okunu fa na chi da
ni wono mo me ko fa akra bi afi baby amba
da be nyankro akofo mo free baby me kire say on fa wokunu ye chi da
fa na chi ye me nti ase
be ma ya wo de messages e ma wokunu woni no
say Facebook me de me nim ni pa ko
Facebook
Ujidi se Facebook mum na messages ni free ba.
Me nim de o kana se me nim ni pa ko.
MTR madam ma message ni moti mi akopy bia mun display na ye hwe se opanyini no fi se oba no panyina wakasa
me nim
o se ever since am free akoye no messages ni keeps coming so so be ye die na o de atwen na o behu wo ye bema
amini mu hwe
oni se de wa nyama kontime mpese me bo bia
ma ni mu hwe
nti omum ye ni
bia ni me ka hwe bia
te da susu se hwan.
In fact, me kwa mi bisa misofori. Say ana yeba realization no ma.
Ye kai sasa asem no. Ye de be ye feedback say.
Na so wo da bi. Ye nye ne sa. Na so no, ene me ntiase e na ne nnuanom so no. Ne nnuanom no kwa no. Em say me hom no bati nyomo a voice na ba no nyo no. Se do aje oba wo ware oba bone a sa na ba no. But me de ma fa na say me ameba. So no no man be chere say papa baby dia different dia minim but me ma fa no say me anka me mba.
Okay. Isaac.
But my men mo na.
There's anything I would say. If there's anything I would say, I don't want it to be air.
Okay.
Yes, I have a lot to say but not.
You have a lot to say.
Yeah.
Why not air? Because it was here the way we are best here. Who will be at least.
Isaac,
who will be
at least.
Is there anything concerning
DNA no?
Yes.
Okay. Before. Before
but concerning we now.
Okay. What are your ponwa? You be this uncommon. Why? Doctor, what are my mochila kwani? Maybe again clear here too. O DNA I will come baby now we him koni fa him ko begu.
Na ka wakra madam me to share no kra no ma me atuka wana achene.
O da nya botre.
Atuka wo nyina atu achene.
Kese mama.
Acha me say be DNA ni wi a. Ya say be DNA wi a. Na say mkola nya me ba on ware bio. Say nya me maso so a on ware bio. Say sam no de
nya botre. Tie. say no. What's okuni ole allegations bebregu so. But I still feel very relaxed though. Mama,
I'm person na me menti ase.
Madam, onu ba onu yoye. De mimi kompa me de ti anamaza. Amachibe maza madam, ana ochimbe me fifi komaba. Me fie gba me kwa me yase me kofie. Me point me kofie me. No wa fe be ma say hello, I love you. Amachibe 1 o'clock. Now me dey come I love you. Na me show ni ma edin na be ma ben ka we aseka me TV visa pa na ka tumi. Baby but me taking cool.
I can say we mu bansa. Ukuni wa fa de chi.
In fine chi.
Thank baby me say
time
yeah be say fufu
yo ya no kwa ni mo ye na time
ubefun wanye wa hakura ye ni bedi akire me wo de opese okoye no ba bia ye bedi akire bi ni asa akohwe okay ebusua mami me visa sema waka no ba bia obekwa akoye ni bia wo ko de hegi kura ye bedi akire DNA di chese DNA ma Kagana minim bebi asie wo kese nkofo samo manimu mfifre den e de omukon wo honom ahye nkofo ma na doctors for mo we de mo aye kakra etumi possible say oba eni ni kunte onfa na chi nanso emma ewo ni kun ntem no emma na nya be ma ne ma etumi possible sa we de mo mfa madwen che kakra mo fa embra ni ehu se etumi sa de a na ne ma mi kan ye betumi age atum na wonfa wukun achi na esi den e na emma ai wo ne papa yintem enye ye yinhwehwemu kire se enye papa ne ma etumi ye possible sa na akra ne kire nsem bi mu wo honom na papa ne so ka bibi secret bi nso e wo honom ma esa ape so se no okokwaji ne ama bi e wo papa bi ho ne nti se wo papa nhwa na sa kwan we so ale na papa no anfa ne ma na mafie na pre kon otumi frɛ oba no e ma wo akora no na akokohia papa no e kokogye ne ma ne baaye na nya once nso me so se bia na bibi koso one sa papa no ode ntare ne bre mofra no bibi koso mo ntem no mo mpesa papa no behu ba no mo ni sa papa no so mo ye fast papa no ye hurry up papa na hu me ehwe se no kra na piano ema ne kokoye test no obi nso atumi anya kokuduro asene messages asa threat papa no edidi na tem so no hu se irayi no kra ya pie ya din ya be hwe na kira kwan nti obeye na nka papa na bohu na watwe asan se onye hwehwemu no na nka onu na ebu na topa no na papa na wa beti hu fifre na wa be wa hwe mmofra na ma no nenne otu adadi eye denya ni pakrona no send message say threat papa no ye be ne hu hwehwemu ni yehu obekom na ye mmofra ne papa ye be hwehwem ni yehu ni pa akopoten ya na odi sanse hu abusia oda tamchuku na sasemu ye be koso ye mani si hase ye be koso ato aso na nto aso ne ba me sha obo me de ba bedan wo na usu ahu ni akwakosi ene ne afi na ebuboba na usu ahu emu no kren yes emre me de besia like video no na share na subscribe for mama me din ya me jeso ene na akosia adepa aha enso that's why emergency Ghana TV that's ene mesanso ene mo share bi makro.
Have you ever tried to buy something online only to get scammed, or have the seller waste your time? Or maybe you're a seller who spends hours preparing an order only for the buyer to cancel last minute? We get it. That's why we created Copland, a simple, secured marketplace designed to protect both buyers and sellers. Copland is here to end their frustrations with a reliable solution. Our team noticed that a lot of people are either being scammed or losing valuable time and resources due to unregulated marketplace practices. So we built Copland to tackle this problem. So Copland uses a secure payment method known as escrow, which keeps payment safe until both the buyers and the sellers are satisfied with the transaction. Here is how it works. When a buyer orders an item, the payment is held securely, meaning the seller doesn't get paid until the item is successfully delivered. The seller is notified and can accept or decline the order. If accepted, they reach out to arrange the delivery. Once the item is delivered, the seller marks it as delivered. So from there, the buyer has 48 hours to confirm they are happy with the product or to request a revision solution if there is any issue. When the buyer is satisfied, they accept the order and the funds are therefore released to the seller. If no action is taken within 48 hours, the order is automatically marked complete and the seller will be paid. Copland is here to build trust in online buying and selling. With our escrow system, both buyers and sellers can feel secured, knowing their time and money are protected. So why not try Copland for your next online transaction? Visit us at www.copland.coplandtechnologies.com.